You made up your mind, you decided to reject us, failed to respect us, or give us the chance to be people that you once had, as friends to float with. When did you think that your looks and your ego could have you to justify acting so evil? The way that you go out is such a belittle, now is this the person you wanted to be? You made us so selfish so you could have lost in the pride and the power, resenting the passion. So now I'm gonna talk to the simplest question: do you think that you're that much better than me? We stand too close to the edge for you this time. Did your mama always tell you not to play with fire as a child? Need to give it to time. The hierarchy stands that you lie and seek to conquer, and forget the struggle of the ones who would die just to stop them feeling useless. But you put them through